Hey guys, welcome to question FM289 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question shows us this map here and then says the map above shows the road connections between four towns M, N, O and P. Draw a graph in the space below that could model these road connections, and then we're given four vertices to work with, and it's our job to put in edges to model this map here. So the way that I'm going to do it is start by looking at vertex M and looking for all its connections, then working our way around clockwise. So are there any connections that go from M to N? No, there's nothing really there, so I'm not going to worry about a loop on M. How many connections are there from M to N? Now here there's only the one connection along here. So that will be the first edge in our graph here. Next, I'm going to look for all the connections between M and O. So there's one trail that leads like that, and another trail that leads like that. So there are two connections between M and O. So we're going to put two edges between those two vertices. Next, I'm going to look for all the connections between M and P. So I can take this trail along here to get from M to P. So I'm going to put in one edge to represent that trail there. Those are all the connections with M that I have to worry about for the moment. So now I'm going to move on to N. So starting off with N. Now I don't have to worry about N's connections to M because we've already taken care of that. So next I'm going to look for N having any connections to itself to create a loop. So can it leave and then come back? Nope. So moving on to N connecting to O. So we've got this trail here, a trail that leads out like that, and a third trail moving like that. So we've got three connections from vertex M to vertex O, like so. And next we're going to look at connections from N to P. So are there any connections that can be made from N to P? Well, we can move along a trail that look like that. So we've got one connection from N to P, and I'm going to run that around the outside like that. Now moving on to O. Once again, we don't have to look at vertices M and N because they've already been taken care of. Are there any connections that lead from O to O? And we could take a trail that looks like that. So we've got a loop that happens here. Finally, finally looking at the connections between vertex O and vertex P. Are there any connections to be made? There's one trail that leads like this, and then a second trail we can take along like that. So we're going to put two edges in between those two vertices, and that should be our final graph. Guys, if you have any questions about this, please let us know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.